Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My dear friends and my dear viewers, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. My dear friends, in today's I am going to show you most demanding, most gorgeous and beautiful slim pencil style skirt design with French lace skirt designs, lace fabric skirts with cutwork design, light and dark colors, beautiful and new design ideas for girls and women. Skirt design ideas for every weddings, casual wear, awesome fancy style look. I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you want to watch yet more ideas, so visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. If you want to buy these beautiful skirts, so visit etsy.com, etsy.com, and buy all beautiful skirts. My dear friend, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members on our social media account. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how was my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Videos from my channel can help you. You can get ideas. Beautiful and amazing designs, very awesome look, very hottest design, very trendy and most selling design ideas, solid colors with unique stitching, slim pencil style, bodycon style, skirt designs. So my dear friends, we will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new video, new trendy videos, new ideas videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care. Allah.